Artificial intelligence, AI. Current trends of artificial intelligence technology. AI, or artificial intelligence, is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. In recent years, AI has become one of the most talked about topics in the tech world. Today, we will take a closer look at the current trends in AI and how they are impacting our lives. Hear a person talking to a virtual assistant. One of the most common applications of AI is virtual assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These AI-powered assistants can understand human speech and can perform tasks like setting reminders, playing music, and answering questions. Hear a self-driving car on the road. Another trend in AI is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate the roads and avoid obstacles. This AI technology has the potential to reduce accidents and traffic congestion, and make our roads safer. Hear a person wearing a fitness tracker. AI is also changing the way we approach healthcare. Wearable technology, such as fitness trackers, use AI algorithms to analyze data about our health and help us make informed decisions about our diet and exercise routines. We see person using a translation app. Language barriers are no longer a problem, thanks to AI-powered translation apps. These apps can translate speech and text in real time, making it easier for people to communicate with each other across different languages. Hear AI-driven factory with robotic arms. The manufacturing industry is also embracing AI technology. Robotic arms equipped with AI algorithms can perform tasks with speed and precision, improving efficiency and reducing costs. This is a AI technology. A person interacting with a chatbot. Chatbots are another application of AI that are becoming increasingly popular in the business world. Chatbots can answer customer queries, provide product recommendations, and help with online purchases, making the shopping experience more seamless. Now we wear augmented reality glasses. Augmented reality is another exciting trend in AI. AR glasses can enhance our experience of the world by overlaying digital information onto our physical surroundings. The AI technology has a wide range of applications, from entertainment and gaming to healthcare and education. Hear a person using a home security system. AI is also changing the way we approach home security. Smart home security systems use AI algorithms to detect and respond to potential threats, making our homes safer and more secure. We use AI-driven medical device. Finally, artificial intelligence. That AI is transforming the healthcare industry in ways we could not have imagined a few years ago. Medical devices equipped with AI algorithms can help diagnose diseases, monitor patients, and even assist in surgeries, improving the quality of care and saving lives. In conclusion, artificial intelligence, AI, is not just a buzzword. It is a technology that is changing our lives in profound ways. From virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, from manufacturing to healthcare, AI is transforming the world we live in. The future of artificial intelligence is exciting and full of possibilities, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thanks for watching.